It is very seldom that you come across a group that you really like, and this is no exception. I don't like them in the least. They say a lot of things which I think are important, such as, here, where's the bar? And I'd like to give a very warm introduction to a young group who, possibly younger than me, are called the Stranglers.
Germany failed to protect her soldiers. She had no guts, militant trained. Making the steps to Elizabeth vacuum. You kind of freedom. Freedom's a chain. Maybe I find love when there's nothing to do. Maybe black and white. Listen to what they say. They tell me I'm dying tonight. For my big one.